Paul from AlbaChem here. We're demonstrating today how to spot clean using new SPIF II Plus. SPIF II Plus is a completely different type of pure ink remover. It goes and does not have the same volatile features, doesn't evaporate as quickly as standard old-fashioned spot cleaning fluid did. But the advantage, it has a lot greater safety in using it. The one part of it that's important to see though is you need to dry the garment after you've gone and taken off the spot. So the spot cleaning is done exactly the same, but there's one more step, and that's using a special sweep-off gun. And what this does is has a tip that's going right on the fabric to blow off the liquid in order to quickly evaporate it. Using new SPIF II Plus and with a blow-off gun, you can go and do this spot cleaning fast, efficiently, and much safer than was ever done before.